Hey everyone, and welcome back to FourWheelsEmpire. Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV is a legend in the off-road world, but how does it stack up in today's market? Let's jump in and see. The 4Runner's boxy design is instantly recognizable. It screams ruggedness and capability, and that's no coincidence. This thing is built to tackle tough terrain, but let's be honest, it's not exactly a head-turner on the pavement. For the 2024 model year, the 4Runner continues production virtually unchanged. The only addition is a new medium brown color for the TRD Pro called Terra. In addition, the Lunar, Rock and Lime Rush exterior colors are no longer available on the TRD Sport or TRD Off-Road models. Last year's 40th anniversary trim, a modified version of the SR5 model, is also discontinued after its short run. Prices should increase by about $300 regardless of trim. Every 4Runner is motivated by a 270 HP 4.0-liter V6 paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, available with rear-wheel drive and either full or part-time four-wheel drive systems. The outdated powertrain provides unremarkable acceleration. With the last version, we tested taking 7.7 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour. The automatic's lethargic responses don't optimize. The engine's uneven behavior and downshifts often require heavy right foot inputs to spur the 4Runner ahead. Still, the Toyota manages to feel more composed on pavement than the more unwieldy Wrangler. Our time behind the wheel of the off-road-oriented model showed off. The SUV's notable ground clearance and its body-on-frame construction was supported by a soft suspension that absorbed a variety of terrain reasonably well. The 4Runner's powertrain combinations show their age at the pump, with every model rated at a lowly 16 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway. For comparison, the automatic V6 powered Wrangler has much better estimates of up to 19 mpg city and 20 for highway. The last 4Runner we tested on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, did exceed expectations by returning 22 mpg. The interior of the 4Runner is not what you'd call state-of-the-art, with switchgear that could have come from the latter years of the last millennium. Lackluster materials and styling aside, it manages to comfortably fit humans front and rear in spite of its back-of-the-class interior measurements. We haven't tested the optional third row, but we suspect that it's best for children. A flexible cargo area and several large, deep cubbies in the front row mean that the 4Runner is as versatile a hauler as it is a rock crawler. Just don't try to heave anything into the cargo hold unless you have a chiropractor on call. Its floor is uncomfortably high off the ground. The Turo models that we tested had an optional pull-out cargo deck designed to make loading and unloading heavy items up to 440 pounds a little easier. It can also double as a tailgate for seating. This provides a flat load floor when the second row seats are folded, but also robs the cargo hold of several inches of height. Even so, we fit an impressive 14 carry-ons behind the second row. Every 4Runner features an average-sized 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The interface includes a set of physical buttons as well as rotary volume and tuning knobs. The system comes standard with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a SiriusXM trial, subscription, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. A built-in navigation system and a 15-speaker JBL audio system are available upgrades. The price of the 2024 Toyota 4Runner starts at $41,600 and goes up to $56,565 depending on the trim and options. So, who is the 2024 Toyota 4Runner for? If you prioritize off-road capability, reliability, and durability, then this SUV is a great option. However, if you're looking for a modern, fuel-efficient SUV with all the latest technology, then you might want to consider something else. Thanks for joining me on this review of the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this off-road legend. And if you're looking for more SUV reviews, be sure to subscribe to the channel.